Well, hello friends, and welcome to another episode of Cooking to Lose. I'm your host, Jeffrey Hattrick, and I have had an absolutely exhausting day today. First of all, in order to honor myself for reaching my goal weight, I thought it would be nice to treat myself to a day at the spa. So I did, and I had a lovely 1-hour massage. After which I realized that having lost 30 pounds to reach my goal weight, I have no clothes that fit me. And I actually have a conference coming up in a couple of weeks, so I have been racing all over town to get new outfits, new clothes, in my new size, at the right price. Now, although I was very successful in my shopping, I'm exhausted and I just would love to have a nap. However, dinner needs to be ready in about 3 hours, and heaven only knows how busy the next few days are going to be. So today, we are going to put together a wonderful lean and green meal with very little preparation on my part so I can get my nap time taken care of. And then we're going to have so much left over, we are going to use it to prepare 2 or maybe 3 other days of meals as we go along. So this meal is actually going to turn into about 3 episodes. But it's time for nap time, so let's make this easy. Tonight we are going to have a sauteed mushroom pork tenderloin. My mom has made it before and it is absolutely wonderful. You can get these at Costco. They are pre-marinated, and this tenderloin is going to take care of Chris and my dinner, or the protein part of things, for 2 to 3 days. So what we're going to do, we're going to make this easy. We're just going to cut this open. If my scissors choose to work for me. I have my glass baking pan right here next to me. And I did not cut that correctly, so we're going to try this again. There we go. We are going to slide the pork tenderloin out of the package right into that pot or pan. Look at that. It's actually a beautiful roast. It's actually 2 roasts, it appears to be, but that's okay. There we are. I have the oven set at 350 degrees. We're going to put that in. I'm going to take a nap, and I'll be back in about an hour to let you know how that looks. See you in a while. Alright everyone, I've enjoyed a lovely nap. I'm much more together. I figured it out. So now we're just going to take a couple of minutes and put the final touches on our meal. You know, like I'm trying to show you, the nice thing is even after a long day and maybe a busy couple of days, you could really plan ahead and still make for some great lean and green meals. So we've got our pork roast all cooked, ready to go. I've got it set off to the side here. And we need some vegetables. So if you have not discovered Trader Joe's microwavable vegetables, they've got cauliflower, they might even have Brussels sprouts, but tonight we're having asparagus. It takes 2.5 minutes. I'm going to put it in the microwave while I put our pork tenderloin on the plate, and we're going to be good to go. Here we go. Alright everyone, 2.5 minutes to go. So I've taken our beautiful pork tenderloin. Look at that, so beautiful. I went ahead and actually cut it just before we started filming this. And we're going to just weigh to make sure that we are on track. Remember, 5-6 ounces is going to be the appropriate serving size for pork tenderloin tonight. I've got it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, because we're cooking for 2. So let's just make sure. Alright, that's 6. And this is 6. So we have 2 plates ready to go right here. We're going to put our tenderloin, lay it just over on its side a little bit to fill that space. We're going to take the other one right here as well. Boom, 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 boom. And slide this off to the side. as you can see, we have our other pork tenderloin right here. We're going to put it in the refrigerator until tomorrow. Not quite sure. Wow, my mouth is really not working yet tonight. But this is live, and it's all in one take. So it's going to do what it's going to do. This is going in the refrigerator for tomorrow. I'm not sure what we're going to cook. I think we're going to do a green salad with sesame ginger dressing, maybe some sliced cherry tomatoes, because that's my favorite. And we'll have chilled pork tenderloin around the perimeter of the plate. That should be kind of fun. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, we're waiting for the, what are we having? Asparagus. Waiting for asparagus. Be right back, here we go. 30 more seconds, that's what we do. Dinner's almost ready, dinner's almost ready. La 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 la. I love making up music while I wait for my asparagus. That's what we're gonna do, that's what we'll do. I'm gonna get the asparagus now. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ba, 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 da, ba. Yeah! Alright, it's sizzling, it's good. We shake it because there's some seasoning in there. Boom, 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 boom. We're going to quickly pop this bad boy open. Right there. Right there. Right there. I really honestly thought that microwave vegetables would be gross, but they are amazing. So we're going to take half of it right here. Lay that right along the side. We're going to take the other half. We're going to put it on Chris's plate. And I'm delighted to say that the weather outside is perfect, so we are dining al fresco. Enjoy pork tenderloin with microwavable yet delicious asparagus spears. I'm wearing my hat because I have bad hair, but I will see you tomorrow with a new recipe. Until then, bon appetit. Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cooking to Lose. It's a day after our pork tenderloin recipe, but thank goodness that I planned ahead, knowing that I might have a busy day as well. You might find me a little casual tonight. I just came running home from Bikram yoga. Yes, that's the one in a 104-degree room, and you burn, well, I burned 1,086 calories in an hour-and-a-half session, so I'm feeling very relaxed, but not nearly enough time to get super creative with a dinner. So, as you saw yesterday, we had leftovers of our pork tenderloin, and tonight we are going to just do a very simple stir-fry to go along with it. I thought that would be nice and very easy and delicious. So, let's get started, shall we? I'm going to take just a little bit of olive oil, put it in the pan. Do you like my new setting tonight? I'm barely in the picture, but I decided that the pan and the food is much more important. So, got a little bit of olive oil. I like garlic, as many of you know, so we're just putting a little bit of pressed garlic in there. I went ahead and pressed that just a moment ago. Let's get that in the pan. Get that flavor up. I think I need just a dash more of olive oil. Mostly it's because my pan is old and all of the olive oil goes right into the middle of the pan. Yes, I suppose with the success of my new cooking program, I should probably buy some new plates. Or pans, I mean. As far as the plates, I know that all of you are getting ready to send me plates. Don't forget, I'll give you my address and always send two, because we're cooking for two on this program. And then we'll note you in the episode. Alright. I went ahead and cubed last night's pork tenderloin, which we baked, as you recall. We're just going to put that straight in there, because all I have to do now is warm it up. It's all cooked, it's all fine. As a matter of fact, I think we're just going to take the vegetables. Taking my vegetables, I've got quite the array here. Stir-fry vegetables, and we're just throwing them right in there. They were frozen, just in case you didn't know. And stir-fry means we're going to stir, and we're going to fry. Oh my gosh. During Bikram yoga, my hair becomes very voluminous due to the high humidity levels, as you can tell. Can you see? Cool. Some of you have sent me messages on my YouTube page saying how nice it is to get to know the real me. Well, it doesn't get any more real than this. Because, as my friend Darcel says, until you can laugh at yourself, you can't laugh at anybody else. So I laugh at myself every single day. Alright. That really is just going to kind of cook there for a little while. So this is going to be a really uneventful and short program. Oh, I did forget my low-sodium soy sauce. I guess we'll just pour that right over the top now. It's going to cook right in there and give us some really, really nice flavor, I think. Alright. I guess since I sang on my last show, I should sing something right now, since there's nothing else for you to see on this. What should I sing? I'm gonna sit right down and write myself a letter and make believe it came from you. Yeah. Why am I singing that song? I have not heard or sung that song in probably 15 years. My dad will be very happy about that, because that is a round dance. If you didn't know, I grew up as a square dancer since I was 8 years old, calling square dances, dancing round dances, and that was one. I don't know why it came to my mind. So, gosh, I guess I'm just going to let this cook for a while, because this is going to be a long sing-along otherwise. So, sit back and relax, and I'm just going to sing. And I make believe it came from you, yeah. I want to make love so sweet. Hey, Mr. Melody, is there something there I see? Every time I look around. Hey, Mr. Melody. Okay, that's enough. Enough. I don't know why I divulge so much private information on my TV show. That's okay. Okay, stir fry's done. Off to the side. And this recipe is just about complete. Take a look. Ooh, 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 ooh. Nice. As you know, beautiful bowls. We're going to use the ones we used just the other day for the, what did I use these for? Oh, this tofu stir fry. Wasn't that wonderful? Okay. I'm awfully, shiny tonight. Alright, let's just scoop this out straight into the bowl. We're going to separate this into 2 equal portions. And Chris and I are going to have an absolutely beautiful dinner. I'm very excited about this. So, I guess, if you have any other questions about the Take Shape for Life plan, going to Bikram yoga with me, I don't know, or my beautiful lean and green, give me a call. Otherwise, until next time, a wonderful bon appetit.